So every year, about this time of year, we get a lot of snowfall, and I always worry about the power going out, but not this year. I picked up the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1000. This is great for keeping all electronics charged and appliances. Let's take a closer look.
Meet the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1000 power station, ultimate portable power. Looking for reliable, fast-charging backup power? The VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1000 power station delivers incredible performance at a budget-friendly price. With an 828 watt-hour capacity and 1000 watt continuous output, 2000 watt peak, it's perfect for power outages, camping, or off-grid adventures. Fastest charging on the market. This beast goes 0 to 100% in just 70 minutes with a 700 watt AC input. Need solar? It supports up to 300 watt solar input, 4 to 6 hours, or 200 watt DC input, 7 to 8 hours, for versatile charging options. Expandable capacity and superior safety. Pair it with the FlashSpeed 1500 extra battery to boost capacity to 2,376 watt-hour. Plus, the LifePO 4 battery with Life BMS protection ensures over 3,000 life cycles while maintaining 80% capacity. Uninterrupted power supply, UPS function. Keep your laptops, refrigerators, and essential devices running during blackouts. Get yours today and never lose power again. It comes featured with this convenient LED light. It has 3 modes, low, high, and SOS, lighting up the night, whether outdoors or during a power outage, with reliable brilliance. It has storage space on top to store your items, such as your phone, wallet, or keys. On the front, it has a wide range of ports, 3 AC outlets. Here it has extra battery ports. Also included is 4 USB Type-A ports and 2 USB Type-C ports. On top is the AC input, and on the bottom you have your DC input and Anderson input. Also on front is your DC output. To power the unit on you, just short press any button. It has a nice LCD screen that shows remaining battery percentage, remaining charge time, discharge time, and which output type you're using. It also has high-performance fans to prevent overheating.
I am very impressed with this power station. It can charge a wide variety of items. It can charge your cell phone. A gaming console. It's charging that. The big test is to see if it can turn on the space heater. All right, let's see if it'll cut on. It's got power. Ah! You see we're sitting at 80%. It's powering the space heater. That is impressive. I highly recommend this power station. This is great for camping, tailgating, football games, baseball games, family gatherings. I mean, you can charge your cell phones, your iPads, your fans, your heaters. Check it out. It'll be linked down below.